What's that? Sausage? Yeah. Mmm. Oops. Use your spoon. Use your spoon. That's a girl. Got it? Here. Here it is. There it is. Look. Look. Yeah, that's Chiefy. You give him one sausage? We give Chiefy one sausage. One for Chief. Oh. Give one to Chiefy? You put too many in your mouth. Yeah, one for Chief. Oh. You're a good girl sharing your lunch. Oh. Looks like you're getting another one, Chiefy. This is why you're getting fat. Alira, don't give it all to Dog. No, some for you. Alira, no more. Alira, good girl. Yay! Yeah, here, you can eat off the spoon, Chief. She's always thinking of you, isn't she? No more for Dog. For Alira now. No, apparently not. Where did all your lunch go? Where did all your lunch go?